Welcome guys, welcome to the channel. Thank you all for stopping by. So guys, I'm in the Newcomb Valley area in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. Yeah man, we all call it the bread basket. So I want to say thank you all for stopping by and let us tour our beautiful parish in St. Elizabeth guys and know different areas in Jamaica. So big up on yourself, anyone who watch from yard and abroad, you can big up on yourself. And the tour guide, this is Fire Reid. We are showing you around Jamaica from many different angles. Because a lot of people from overseas, you know, them afraid to travel Jamaica. Because everybody have the stigma say Jamaica bad. Yeah, but may I bring back the positive vibes. Just leave in the comment section and tell me your views on Jamaica, so the people them can know what they can do better to make our beautiful island. You know they must say crime and violence, but just leave in the comment section and talk to me. You hear what going on. Just communicate so we can have an understanding about our island. So when you're in the Newcomb Valley area, it's very close to Treasure Beach, Watchwell, Newell, Barber Hall, Brucefield, and it keep going on and on. So a lot of different places in St. Elizabeth, nearby communities. So if you know tour St. Elizabeth, you don't have to know which spot to go, where to go, when to go. If you make the right turn, guys, I think that road will take you out to Geneva. Geneva, which is a nice community, will take you back to the Newell High School area also. Also, I know St. Elizabeth, my people. Yeah, man, I know St. Elizabeth. We travel them road like every day. Travel all over the world. And I take the time out just to show the people them our foreign, overseas. Make them know what go on. Sip on the tree, them have them coconuts. Can get in different types of fruit in that area. The fruits in that area. So you can check it out. And I hear say no parish no nice like St. Elizabeth. I travel St. Elizabeth, I can't done tour St. Elizabeth, my people. Can't finish tour St. Elizabeth. So them video here, they was requested and I take the time out to do this video from my beautiful fans them all over the world. Always giving me the support, 100% support. Big up on yourself, because if it wasn't not for you guys, this channel would not be growing. So I want to give you a big shout out to everyone, and I just want to say thank you all for support the channel. And you can leave in the comment section requests for me to do an area, because here's a lot of people overseas want to see them community. Most people are trying to visit the town area and forget about the countryside. And you know, country, no matter where the people them go, them can't forget them country life. So me sure now I bring back a life in Jamaica. The country still nice same way. And not just all the town. We see them big business place, them big building there. Them that country too. Whole heap of big building that country. So big up the country people them, big up the town people them same way. Big up the people them with abroad. Big up on yourself. Yeah man, so I love what I do, you know, because I love what I do and my fans and I love what I do too. So if it wasn't for them, I tell us say I don't know why that happened. Big up them all the while, man. Big up them all the time. Yeah, man, me I talk to you. Yeah, watch a video, you know. Yeah, watch a video, you take your time out to watch a video. Yeah. You could have watch something different on the channel, on YouTube, but you just take the time out to watch Fire Reid video because you want to know something about Jamaica. A lot of people, you know, them the Jamaica, them don't really want to know certain things about Jamaica until they reach up in a certain things. Reach in a certain area, they want to say, yes, boy, I never know about that area and stuff, and they have a time but they can take a time out to watch on YouTube and watch what go on the channel. Some people choose to watch different things, up to them still. But no beautiful Jamaica, man. Yes, how we born and yes, how we grow. And you realize when people from overseas come to Jamaica, them know Jamaica more than us, our Jamaican people. Respect on yourself, man. Take time off to know Jamaica. Yeah, man. So we are traveling on a cool evening. So on my GPS, still showing Newcomb Valley, guys. Yeah, man, still showing Newcomb Valley. Don't know how accurate that is, but that's what my GPS said. As I telling you, you can't use GPS some of the time for traveling to Jamaica, go someplace. The GPS will throw you off. Yeah, man, take it from Fire Reid, so me tell you that. GPS will throw you off, man. So this road I'm taking could take you back to the main road to take you to Black River and Santa Cruz. You know Black River town, Santa Cruz town, them place there. Yeah, man, Santa Cruz is one of the hottest town in Jamaica. Black River now. When you talk about Black River, when it comes certain hours at Black River, you know it's a Black River town. Locked down. So many people have known say Black River is a ghost town. After hours, you can't get no taxi. So you don't know about Black River. Here know about St. Elizabeth. So if you feel like you come to St. Elizabeth and you want to catch a taxi from Black River in a certain hours, that take a long time to get a taxi. So you just know the area and know the place, you know. So I'm gonna make the right turn. If you make the left turn, we'll take you all to Barber Hall, Williamsfield, them place there. Straight back to Black River. Yeah, man. So where I'm going can take you back to Newell Junction, but I'm gonna make the left turn. So I'm in the Watchwell area. I'm gonna make the left turn. This is the General Us Hardware, also Miss P Cook Shop. So I make the left turn right in Watchwell area. Drive with care. Just dropping on patrol a while ago. Just so life go. Now have to look out on the eye when I drive. Just hit a patrol a while ago. Yeah, man, I can feel it to my heart. But I just part of life with people, you know? Just hit a patrol a while ago. Yeah, man, so we are chatting on the road same way. So when you're in the Watchwell area, there's a car wash on your left. See the car washer? Yeah, man, the car washer always clean. So when you come and Watchwell and you want to do car for wash, or you can visit the car washer, you know? Very, very cool and humble youth in a place. Visit the car washer and Watchwell. National Irrigation Commission, yeah, man, Hanslow. So you know, so they say have the office over there, so. On your right, you have the Miracle Temple Ministry of Watchwell. I do them area before, but as I tell you, it's a different route. I take and come at them area. So I assure you, some nearby community same way in another place. Yeah. You still can visit them same way. Place look green right here, so like them getting some water. In this area, you have irrigation system. So you can do your farm in another area. You can pay for your irrigation system and you can run your water as long as you want to run it. Because you pay for it. So amount of water you use, you will have to pay for it. Like we're gonna get some rain today. Place look overcast, having some rain drops. About a mile. So like me hear something I come, but me realize it's like a plane in the sky. Think it was a bike guy coming, but when they up on them road, the bike guys them upping out them bike full 100. So you have to listen out on your ears very keenfully and listen what go on the road. Yeah man, you can't drive and feel like saying and pay attention to, you know. You have to listen very carefully on the road, man. If you make this left turn right here, guys, right at this shop right here, if you make this left turn, can take you back to Bruce Field, Watchwell, Barber Hall, also to Greenfield. So we're heading towards the Success area. And you know, in Success area they have a housing development there. Last time I heard, so them sell off all of the lot them. So don't think there is any more lot in that area. No place like yard, man. We call Jamaica yard, you know, that's why the term them use like when you go to a different place and you want to reach home, you say, no place like home. So them call, when people them overseas now, them say no place like yard. Them call Jamaica yard, you know? Yeah, man. Tell you, so when I look on the left and on the right, amount of different kind of crops. I see peanut, callaloo, sweet pepper, cabbage, corn, St. Elizabeth with them, man. If you forget St. Elizabeth, a bread basket. Yeah, St. Elizabeth bread basket. A lot of rivers, beach. You know, you have a Cheddar Beach. Cheddar Beach, yeah. So we're heading towards the Success area. Very close to that. Well, we're in the Success area, but we're heading towards the Success Development Housing. So you can check in the playlist for that development, because I do a video on that place already. So you can check the playlist. A lot of videos me doing at St. Elizabeth, you know. Giving a sneak peek in the area, I'm going to see what I want. So welcome to Success, guys. 91 lot for sale, but them said all of them sell off already. So I'm going to take the inner Success and take it back out. Because we are taking it right to the mountainside square area, guys. So you all can keep on watching, but me are taking it through the Success area. Very, very nice housing development area. Yeah, man, the people that buy out a lot of them, you know, because a lot of them are get more expensive later on. So they might buy out all of the lot of them. So if you see any lot and want to buy it, you can buy it, because afterwards people them are going to buy out every lot and just keep them and just sell them back for a bigger money. Because you know, say every day something will go up in Jamaica, so earlier better you buy it. So if you buy one lot now, in maybe 1 year or 2 years time, you can double your money. So just buy a lot and don't hesitate from buying a lot and say it's very expensive, because in a couple more years you double your money, and that is a good investment. So the people that decide they want to buy the land and they wait to see if they get any cheaper, you not get no cheaper. No cheaper. So buy the land, man, and make it stay and go on. Until the time come, if you're ready for bill, you bill. If you're ready for sell it back and make your money, double your money, you sell it and go buy a different place in a different area. Just so the system set up. So I'm taking you back on the main road. We've taken you back to Mountainside. Mountainside is a small town area which can lead you all to Cheddar Beach, Black River, Santa Cruz. Once you know you go Black River, you go White House, Savlamar, go on. Once you go Santa Cruz, you're gonna go to Longwood, Goshen, Gutters, Spurtree. You're going to the Manchester Parish. Once you come, you're in a Mountainside, you go to Success, Watchwell, Newell, Newcomb Valley, Cheddar Beach. Can take you back straight to Junction, also to Manchester. Same way. Listen good what I say, no man. It will benefit on one day. Yeah, no, everything Google can show you know. But Fire Reid show you what Google can't show you. Google can't show you this right now. It can show you the overhead view, but it's not going to show you certain things. So remember, if you watch the channel, share and subscribe to you. Share with the family and your friends. Yeah, man, so I'm coming out back on the main road. If you take the right turn, it will take you back right to Watchwell area. So I made the left turn, which was going to take us to the mountain side area, which I just talked about a while ago. Yeah, see him, so me say. Yeah man, so we're in the mountainside area. Mountainside. Them say Jamaica not big enough, but Jamaica big. Yeah, so look at turn off me I tell us, boy. You want to believe that some community exists. Very, very nice community. Yeah, some hidden place in Jamaica, man. Hidden community. Nice, peaceful, friendly. And how can I forget to tell you all about Malvern? Malvern area. This road can take you to all Malvern area if you make the right turn. Yeah man, make the right turn coming up right now. We just passed the mountainside primary school. You see where the carrier come from? If you make a right turn, we'll take you back to Malvern Big Hoods Road. Yeah man, same place that take on. Remember, so when you come on mountainside, you know, on the name if you check out Sweets on the Rock Bar. It's a sports bar, very, very nice bar. You can come and entertain. A lot of entertainment, play a pool table, you can do anything you want at the bar and enjoy yourself. A little enjoyment in your life, easy stress. So the Sweets Tropics Bar and Lounge on the right side. About a minute drive from out a mountainside square area going towards success. Yeah, going towards success. Correct. Point taken. Yeah man, as we say, we're in the mountainside area going to the square. So guys, thank you all for stopping by on the channel. Thanks for the support. Yeah man, thanks for everything. Thanks for everything. Me I telling us say no parish nice like St. Elizabeth. We are now in the mountainside square area past the gas station, the feeding shop. Big up on yourself, all of the business people them. Good for when you have a business idea, you can take it to all of the people them, you know. So yeah man, thanks a lot for the support. You know, so you don't have no local bar on a mountainside and you can buy no drink. Having a one shot of JB rum and enjoying yourself. So thanks a lot. And remember to check out the playlist if you don't want to find different places in St. Elizabeth. Just type in the area and see if it come up. Because I do a lot of videos in St. Elizabeth, you know. A lot of videos. So just type in what you want to find and maybe pop up on your side. Yeah man, so this is the journey for today. And hope you all have a blessed day. One love, one heart. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.